कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स इंडस्ट्रियल वर्कर में क्या है कि हमारा जो डियरनेस अलाउंस होगा वो हमारा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड वर्कर इन द इंडस्ट्रियल एंड सेक्टर beside and measuring inflation in a retail price fixation and revisions of minimum wages in a scheduled employment compiled the maintained by the labor bureau and attached office of the ministry of labor and employment। कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री है हमारा? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर। ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं। Recently, the Ministry of Labour and Employment released the new series of a consumer price index for industrial workers with a base year 2016. The new series of a CPI-IW with a base 2016 has replaced the exist series with a base 2001। हमारा क्या था ये? 2014, 49, 1949, 1960 to 1962, 82 और 82 to 2001। रिवीजन चेंज हमारा कंजप्शन जो करेगा क्या है हमारा? वर्किंग क्लास पॉपुलेशन ओवर द ईयर। फॉलोइंग क्या है हमारा? 39% वेट टू एन फूड एंड बेवरेज कंजप्शन ऑफ ए वर्कर नाउ एज अगेन 46.2%। Spending and on housing will get almost 70% weight against and 15.2% earlier। कंजप्शन किया हमारा क्या? सेगमेंट एंड कंप्राइजिंग एंड स्पेंडिंग ऑन हेल्थ लाइक एजुकेशन हेल्थ एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट बाय वर्कर्स हैज़ बीन एंड गिवन a sizable jump in weight for 23% and 30% now। Tuberous salivary glands। Researchers at the Netherlands Cancer Institute have identified a set of a salivary। चैनल को आप जितना से जितना हो सके उतना से सब्सक्राइब करें और आगे बढ़ाएं, आगे के लोगों तक इसको पहुंचाएं। ये आज का करंट अफेयर है और हम आगे भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे और इसमें हम यूपीएससी और यूपीपीसीएस दोनों का अलग अलग कंबाइंड बनाएंगे जिससे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से सहूलियत मिले। Netherlands Cancer Institute has identified a set of salivary glands deep in the upper part of the throat. The gland is named as a tuberous salivary gland. The new organ was discovered while a scientist and where a study prostate cancer cell using PSMA PET CT technology. The discovery may be important for a cancer treatment. 1.5 inch and 3.9 centimeters length on an average and are located over a piece of a cartilage called the torus tuberous. The glands and probably lubricate and moistens the upper and throat behind the nose and mouth. So far, this and nasopharynx and regions behind the nose was not a thought to host anything but microscopic and diffuse and salivary glands. Until now, there were 3 known and large salivary glands in human: under the tongue, under the jaw and the back of the jaw, behind the cheek, PSMA PET and CT technology, CT scan of an positron emissions and tomography, and which is good in detecting and salivary glands and tissues. In this technique, a radioactive and tracer is injected into the patients that binds to the protein PSMA and which is elevated in a prostate cancer cell. Global Wealth and Report 2020. Credit and Issues and has released the Global and Wealth Report 2020. The Credit and Issues and Global and Wealth and Report provide the most comprehensive and up to date cover of information household wealth and worldwide. Highlights of the report me and 2019 and global and wealth rose by USD 36.3 trillion and wealth per adult reached in USD and 77.309 and which is 8.5 more when compared to 2019 as a consequence The world has been a better and place to absorb any losses and from COVID-19 during 2020. However, total household and wealth dropped by USD and 70.5 trillion. Between January and March 2020, a 4.4% decrease compared to the value at the end of 2019. Household wealth in 2000, India is dominated by property and other real assets, although financial assets have grown over a time and now have formed 22% of gross assets. Stock, bonds, bank deposits are some examples of a financial asset. The average wealth of Indian adult rose marginally to USD 17,420 and in July 2020 as against USD 7,300 of December 2019, showing some growth and despite the COVID pandemic and lockdowns. Wealth inequality remains quite high in India. There is a considerable poverty reflected in the fact that 73% of the adult population had a wealth below USD 10,000 at the end of 2019. Between January and April to 2020, unemployment rates approximately tripled in India to 24. Lost river of Thar desert. Researchers have found the evidence of a lost river that ran through the central Thar desert near Bikaner. The find represent the oldest directly dated phase of a river activity at a null quarry in the central Thar desert. The study indicates the Stone Age populations lived in a distinctly different Thar desert landscape than we encounter today. This evidence indicate a river a flow with phases of activity dating to approximately up to 172 and 1000 years ago, nearly to Bikaner, Rajasthan, which is over 200 kilometers away from the nearest modern river. And these findings predate evidence for activities in a modern river courses across the Thar deserts as well as dried up course of the Ghaggar Hakra river. The result indicates that the strongest river activities at a village of Null occurred at a time when a monsoon was much weaker than today in the region. A river activity continued to at the site between 95 to 98 95 to 98. ठीक है. The थार डिजर्ट क्या है हमारा? थार डिजर्ट हमारा क्या है? ग्रेट इंडियन डिजर्ट्स हैं. Large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent and form a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. The Thar desert extends between the Aravalli Hills in the northeast, the Great Run of Kutch along the coast, and the alluvial plains of the Indus River in the west and northwest. About 85% of the Thar desert is located within India, with the remaining 15% to Pakistan. More than 60% of the desert lies in the Indian state of Rajasthan and it extends into the state of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Pakistan, Punjab province, the Thar continue at the Cholistan desert. Regional raw drug repository. Union Minister of Ayush inaugurated the regional raw drug repository at All India Institutes of Ayurveda, New Delhi, in order to document the diversity in the genetics and chemistry of a medical plant. 8 RRDR and 1 NRDR have been proposed by Ministry of Ayush. Out of them, 3 regional raw drug repository already. This RRDR is a second in the series of repository proposed by the National Medical Plants Board. Ministry of Ayush and will be dedicated to the Trans Ganga plans and regional. RRDR for Trans Ganga plain and regional covers for states Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Punjab. This RRDR would play a stellar role in a collection, documentation and authentication of raw drugs collected and largely from the respective agroclimatic regional. World Osteoporosis Day. World Osteoporosis Day is an observed annual of the October 20. It is organized the International Osteoporosis and a Foundation, a non-governmental organization headquartered in Nyon, Switzerland. Osteoporosis or an porous bone is a disease of a progressive bone loss and a skeleton and deteriorations in which bones become fragile and more likely to break or fractures. The disease often developed and unnoticed and over many a year with no symptoms or discomfort until a fracture occurs, and there is no cure for an osteoporosis. And however, early diagnosis, regular exercise and healthy diets are what people should follow to avoid an occurrence of the bone disease in a later stage of life. The exact medical causes of osteoporosis are not completed known. आप सब्सक्राइब